In today's video, we're diving into Dify and N8N, two powerful automation platforms competing for your attention in 2025. First up is Dify. What truly sets it apart are its unique features such as intuitive design, seamless integration, and customizable workflows. Now, let's explore N8N. This platform shines with its open-source flexibility and extensive library of integrations. When it comes to user experience, Dify offers a sleek interface while N8N provides comprehensive customization options. Integration capabilities are crucial. Dify connects seamlessly with popular apps, while N8N offers more extensive connections through its community-contributed nodes. Price is always a consideration. Dify adopts a subscription model, whereas N8N offers an open-source version with optional support for a fee. The community support surrounding each platform can greatly influence your choice. Dify boasts dedicated customer service, while N8N has a vibrant open-source community. Choosing between them often boils down to specific needs. Dify is your go-to for simplicity, while N8N excels in customization for complex processes. Looking ahead to 2025, expect both platforms to evolve, possibly enhancing their AI capabilities and user experiences. To wrap up, both Dify and N8N have distinct advantages. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific requirements and preferred workflow style.